Portpatrick here to see the Dunskey Castle over there. Hi, welcome to Dunskey Castle. In front of us here. Let's go have a look. I saw a few people have a look inside. Welcome everyone. Tell you a little bit. We can walk up there, okay? Thank you. ขอบคุณมากนะคะที่เข้ามาติดตาม Dunskey Castle ค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ Hi, everyone. Welcome to Dunskey Castle. It was built around 1290 and it owned by Adair family. I believe it's an L-shaped townhouse.On the left, it ran about 4 stories up, including the basement, and on the right, it's about 2 stories, and contain about 3 wide cellar and 2 storage room. I believe this is a cellar. This one is quite big. Huge place. Got a little bit cupboard there as well, big cupboard. And we're going to go up to have a look on the right. Go to walk straight here, have a look on the right as well.And this was a huge storage as well. I think a cellar as well. Quite a big place. Couldn't wait to have a look inside. Today's night and sunny day. I hope everybody sincerely well, my friend. Welcome and thank you very much for watching. Come here, look at the sunset. Beautiful sunset. This is a courtyard where the sunset sitting here. And look, we had a lot of people here today. Because night and sunny day.Cold, very cold, it's about 10 Celsius. And I'm going to go in now, have a look on the right, where the lady is standing there. And I'm going to go have a look the first floor first. Here we are. I love the window by the sea. When you open the window in the morning, you look straight to the sea and it's a beautiful place.We covered that. I think that's a cellar downstairs as well. I believe that 4 stories on this side. 4 ชั้นตรงนี้ So windy as well today. I love looking the window here. People who put the window here think about where to put the window. It's just right direct at the sunset. Beautiful. And every window is facing the sea. So beautiful. And I'm still looking like this one too. So it's another window as well. Beautiful, my friend. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. Come explore with me. Have a look around. The castle have.Passed through different generations, but at the end still owned by Adair family. We're going to go up to go have a look at the first floor, which is built around 14th and 15th century. But the floor here destroyed by the MacCulloch of Myrton. Later on, the castle repaired and remodeled, also extension, around about 16th century.By 1620, they was sold to someone called Hew Montgomery. Later on, I think they moved out to different places, to bigger places. This castle was ruled around 1684. It's quite early, but it's still a beautiful place. What a beautiful courtyard. I bet you can sit here looking at sunset and sunrise. and also at night sit here looking at the moon. Nice place. Must admit, I love looking down the sunset and sunrise. I also heard the castle was haunted by a nursemaid who dropped a baby from one of the window to the beach far below. Also haunted by the piper who imprisoned in the cave, the rock down below the castle. No one had found the old man again. Often people hear the sound of his pipe play. Well, life, history, die and life at, death, born. This is normal. We all believe in God, aren't we? I believe in God, I think that the spirit and also exists somewhere. With our naked eye, we can't see. Thank you very much for listening, everyone. I really appreciate that. I love looking at the window and looking down here. It's quite steep, Also, the nursemaid dropped the baby down below, so I imagine she probably executed and died as well. But that's what we heard. That's history. Well, I'll let you guys enjoy looking around. This is the second floor on the right, so on the left, I believe the third floor, including the basement as well. I enjoy my day here, and I sincerely thank you everyone for coming, and thank you for all your support. Thank you for all your friendships, and thank you for not forgetting me. Sometimes I didn't post video frequent and often I like because due to work schedule and my day off would be in, so on, and that just life, isn't that? This is not easy. We all have to make living somewhere. And thank you very much, my friend. Here we are, and I hope you enjoy the video. I let the video. ขอบคุณมากนะคะที่เข้ามารับชม and thank again, my dear. Love you, oh my friend. Bye. See you soon. Enjoy the video. Thank you very much for watching. Go see some more. ขอบคุณมากนะคะที่เข้ามารับชมสวัสดีค่ะสวัสดีค่ะ